Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best cast iron cleaner is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools for any serious home cook, transforming the daunting task of maintaining your beloved cast iron cookware into a quick, effortless chore, ensuring your skillets and Dutch ovens remain perfectly seasoned and ready for generations of delicious meals without harsh chemicals or abrasive scrubbing. Number 5. Lodge Pan Scrapers for Cast Iron Cookware. Introducing the ultimate solution for your cast iron cookware. These handy tools make cleaning a breeze, ensuring your favorite pans are always ready for their next use. Say goodbye to stubborn food residue. With their unique design, they effortlessly scrape away grime without damaging your seasoned surfaces. Crafted from durable polycarbonate, these scrapers are built to last. They withstand tough cleaning jobs, providing reliable performance every time. Whether it's a skillet or a griddle, they are perfectly shaped to tackle all your cast iron surfaces. Their versatile design fits various contours. Each set includes 2 scrapers in vibrant red and classic black. Keep one handy and have a spare, or use them for different cleaning tasks. Maintain the longevity and performance of your cast iron. These essential tools help you keep your cookware in pristine condition for years to come. What we like. These simple tools are perfect for everyday food residue. Their durable design ensures they'll last through many cleanings. If you're looking for a straightforward, no-fuss solution for light scrubbing, these are an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to select the top points. Number 4. Lodge SCRAPERGPK Grill Pan Scrapers. Introducing the Lodge SCRAPERGPK, your essential tool for keeping grill pans spotless. This convenient 2-pack makes cleaning a breeze after every meal. Each scraper features 2 unique sets of teeth. They are specifically designed to perfectly fit any modern Lodge grill pan, ensuring thorough cleaning. With its combination of straight edges and curves, these scrapers tackle both flat and curved surfaces. No residue is left behind, ensuring a pristine pan every time. Crafted from durable polycarbonate, these grill pan scrapers are made to withstand rigorous use. They are a long-lasting addition to your kitchen tools. Don't worry about hot pans, these scrapers are heat-resistant up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. You can clean your grill pan even when it's still warm. Cleaning up after cleaning is simple. These handy tools are completely dishwasher safe, making maintenance effortless. What we like. These scrapers are uniquely designed with teeth to perfectly fit Lodge grill pans. They are also heat-resistant and dishwasher safe for convenience. If you frequently use a Lodge grill pan and want a specialized tool for effective cleaning, this set is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Amagabeli Cast Iron Chainmail Scrubber. This scrubber is crafted from premium, durable stainless steel. It won't rust or scratch your cast iron surfaces, ensuring safe and effective cleaning. Designed to last as long as your beloved cookware. It gently removes rust and stuck on food without harming your cast iron's precious seasoning. Unlike harsh alternatives, this scrubber cleans effectively without scratching. Remember to dry, oil, and heat your pans after use for optimal protection. Cleaning this tool is incredibly easy. Simply rinse it under running water or toss it in the dishwasher. It effectively removes food residue, buildup, and stains from your cookware. Best of all, it does this without stripping the valuable seasoning layer. Using it is a breeze, just scrub with warm water for quick, hassle-free results. Its compact, lightweight design and hanging ring make storage convenient in your kitchen or on camping trips. This makes it ideal for home cooks, campers, and chefs alike. This versatile tool is perfect for a wide range of items, from cast iron pans and skillets to pizza stones and baking sheets. It handles glassware, teapots, griddles, and even Dutch ovens with ease. Consider it a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves their kitchenware. What we like. This chainmail scrubber offers a robust yet gentle way to clean, preserving your cast iron seasoning. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures it won't rust or scratch. If you're serious about maintaining your cast iron seasoning while getting a deep clean on various cookware, this is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 2. Lodge Cast Iron Care Kit. This kit combines everyday cleaning and maintenance essentials. It's designed to help support long-lasting cast iron care. The included scrub brush and pan scraper are perfect for tackling stubborn food residue. They simplify everyday cookware cleanup. This set includes a vegetable oil seasoning spray. It's designed to help maintain seasoned surfaces and support regular cast iron upkeep. The heat-resistant silicone handle holder provides a more comfortable grip. Use it when moving, serving, or handling hot cookware. Lodge creates durable cookware accessories. They are designed to support everyday cooking, serving, and care for your cast iron favorites. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for complete cast iron maintenance. It includes a seasoning spray to keep your pans in top condition and a silicone handle holder for safe handling. If you're new to cast iron or want an all-in-one solution for both cleaning and care, this kit offers great value. What people say. Number 1. Lodge Chainmail Scrubbing Pad. This heavy-duty cleaning tool combines durable stainless steel chainmail with a silicone core. It's designed to help you tackle even the most stubborn food residue with ease. Featuring an ergonomic silicone center, it provides a comfortable grip. This design ensures added control while you're cleaning your cookware. This durable, dishwasher-safe accessory is built for repeated use. It simplifies everyday cookware care and kitchen cleanup, making your life easier. Its compact design allows for easy storage. You can keep it conveniently within reach whenever your cast iron needs attention. From Lodge Cast Iron, this accessory is part of a line of durable cookware essentials. They are designed to support your everyday cooking, serving, and care for your favorite cast iron pieces. What we like. This scrubbing pad combines heavy-duty chainmail with a comfortable silicone core for superior cleaning power. The ergonomic grip makes tackling tough messes much easier. If you like a comfortable, controlled grip while scrubbing stubborn residue, this reusable tool is designed for you. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.